Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to figure out what's wrong with your dishwasher, this is a KitchenAid right here. This will work for a lot of the different dishwashers though. Look, you can go into diagnostic mode. Here's what you do. Push 1, 2, and 3 and do it 3 times in a row. So watch 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All the lights come on. It's beginning diagnostic mode. Now just look at the light right here and count how many times it blinks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Takes a break. So the first number is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 4. So on an 8, 4, I'll show you a picture right now of the different codes.
All right, I literally just asked Siri what code 84 means on a KitchenAid dishwasher, and this is what it says. So the water isn't draining properly, and that definitely seems to be the case on this one. And it could be a clogged drain line, the pump, or dishwasher itself. Most of the time, in my experience, almost all the time, something made its way into the actual pump. Like a piece of glass is very, very common. Little piece of plastic, something along those lines that's clogging it up. So this is for an 8-4 code. Now on yours, it might say a 6-4, it might say some other code. And literally, you can look in your manual or just ask Siri, and believe it or not, you can figure it out. Now on this 8-4 right here, I'm actually gonna end this video. And what I'll do is just in a second here, you should see a link to a second video. So if you do have the 8-4, link to the second video, I'll show you how I diagnose it, open up the pump, I show you the piece of glass that is causing it to obstruct, and it only takes me about 10 minutes and it's back up and running. All right, friends, hey, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and again, click on the link. You should see the video right now if you have the 8-4 code. See you next time.